Today we have a Gianna speaker here. As you can see, it's a pretty thin box, which is pretty cool. So let's open up and see what it looks like. So out of the box, this is actually very simple, very actually aesthetic to have on the kitchen table, the desk, bedroom, office, basically anywhere. This is actually pretty aesthetically pleasing for anything basically. And it's actually a pretty nice oval shape. So to actually turn it on, you just have to hold the button a couple of seconds. And then you can actually turn on everything. There's an alarm clock in here. There's a clock in here, which you can actually display different setting modes. So right now I don't have it on, but all I have to do is just click on one button and it turns on dimly. And if you want it a little bit brighter, you click it on it again. And if you don't even want the clock at all, you just have to click it a third, fourth time and bam, it turns off, which is pretty cool. Not a lot of clocks do this actually, to actually show the time constantly. This one, you don't even need to show the time at all. To actually play white sounds, let's say you can't sleep at night, you're restless, you need something in the background, this is perfect for you. All you have to do is click the middle button and it shows you different types of music or sounds. Let's say that this is more not, you need something more rowdy. Waterfall. Fire. And even the outside forest. The white sound is amazing. Not a lot of places like this have it. This is pretty perfect for people who can't sleep without a little noise in the background. This is very pleasing. You can even change the light settings to have no light and still hear the music. Or you can just go on the radio over here, Bluetooth. So what's really cool about this clock and speaker is that it has a little bit of a little light. Let's say you need to look for something in the dark. You can have light and it changes colors, which is amazing. You can have orange, basically all the colors of the rainbow. And to turn it off, you just hold the button again for a couple seconds and it turns off.